Hey guys, Tony Maritato, licensed physical therapist. So I'm a big believer in self-assessment. I want to know if I'm improving. I want to know if my range of motion is normal. But if you're the patient at home, it's almost impossible for you to actually measure range of motion accurately. So the next best thing is to come up with one or two self-assessment tools that you can use to see how you're doing. One of my favorites, because we know that external rotation, moving the hand away from the body while keeping the elbow tucked, is one of the best indicators of regaining full flexion, full abduction range of motion. I find that checking your own external rotation at home is a great way to measure progress. Now, I'll usually compare two sides, my non-painful, non-surgical side to my painful side. And what I do is I make a 0 with my thumb and index finger. I stand with my back against the wall. I want to have 3 points of contact. I want the back of my head to touch, my shoulder blades to touch, and my lower hips or pelvis, my sacrum to touch. So I've got 3 points of contact. I make a 0. I put my elbows back against the wall. And what I should be able to do is get those zeros on the wall. What often happens is I might get about halfway there, 3/4 of the way there, and it just won't go back anymore, either because of pain or because of restriction, while my other side, my non-surgical side, goes back totally pain-free. So with time, you'll see that maybe you reach your thumb and you can touch your thumb, but you can't put the circle on. But as you work on increasing range of motion, that motion will improve. It's one of my favorite ways to track progress at home in a relatively safe manner that allows you to check it in the morning, check it in the afternoon, check it in the evening, and then report back to your physical therapist as you're progressing. Guys, if you have any other questions, post them in the comments down below. Otherwise, I'll catch you on the next video.